What do you know about puff snacks machine? Let's learn puff snacks making process and principle. Machine, double screw extruder. Raw material is expanded under the extrusion of two screws with high temperature. Raw material, corn flour starch mixed with water. Twin screw extrusion. PLC control system. Using different molds to cut into different shapes. Mold installation. Shape of puff snack. Puffed corn pops. Crispy and delicious, popular with consumers. Different capacity. Follow us to learn more about the production process and principles of snacks.